And I'm pretty sure these rotors have been replaced at one time. But because of the way it's been worn down, I'm pretty sure they actually ground these rotors at one time with the pads, because there is a lot of etch marks going around, and then they just used the pads to smooth it over. So I'm assuming they probably did that way back in the beginning of the car's life, because the rear ones are the same way, but the lip on each side is smaller than the actual pads. So I'm assuming they did it to the rear too, because the pads on there actually are wearing a new mark around the rotor. So I'm assuming they've ground all 4 brakes on this car at one point and never replaced the rotors. But it's alright, I'm fixing that problem. Still waiting on my rotors for the rear. They oops and sent me the wrong ones. But that is what they will look like all the way around.